Hello friends, we are together for a new video. In this video I will fix a faulty computer. There's a mess on the table, sorry about that. I started the computer, I'm waiting and there is no image, friends. First of all, I would like to show the malfunction, and I would like to point out that, I will act quickly in the diagnosis of the malfunction in order not to keep you busy for a long time. I will not change all the hardware. Friends, the video card of this computer is faulty. We disassembled the computer and we saw the accumulation of dust. I was really surprised. Of course I will do my job. I will change the video card and start the computer. Yes friends, I changed the video card. I started the computer. The problem is fixed. Your process is completed. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will be very happy if you like and share this video. Have a nice day friends.